This abandoned mansion once belonged to Coca-Cola royalty. This is Briarcliff Mansion in Atlanta, a massive estate built for Asa Griggs Candler Jr. It was part of one of America's most powerful families. Grand halls, lavish parties, and elite guests once filled these rooms. Decades of wealth vanished, leaving only echoes of the past. Today, silence has taken over. The walls still remember a life of luxury. One of the most powerful men in American history, the founder of U.S. Steel, built this luxury mansion by the Atlantic Ocean. This place belonged to the Carnegie family, one of the richest families in the world. Inside were dozens of rooms, a private swimming pool in the center of the house, and breathtaking ocean views. More than 200 servants worked here every day. Life here was opulent but fragile, as no one could imagine what was coming. But the end came in fire. In 1959, a massive fire destroyed the mansion. In just a few hours, decades of luxury turned into ashes, and the mansion was abandoned forever. The owner of this mansion died on the Titanic. This is Lynnewood Hall, one of the most expensive private estates in America in its time. It was built by millionaire George Dunton Widener for his family. In 1912, he and his son traveled on the Titanic and never returned. Today, its value would be measured in hundreds of millions of dollars. The emptiness still whispers stories of power and wealth. This mansion stands as a silent witness to history and tragedy.